Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. None of the grounds made in the writ petition have any substance. Full stop. It is denied that the land use has been changed. Full stop. Land use at the time of the notification under section 4 of the act is residential, commercial and recreational, which has been changed. Full stop. Intervention application has been filed on behalf of Noida Extension Flat Buyers Welfare Association as well as on behalf of Omax Build Home Private Limited. Full stop. Allotment of land was made in the year 2009 and 2010. Full stop. In all 25 writ petitions of village Ghori, more or less, similar pleadings have been made by the petitioners, which need not be repeated. Full stop. Writ petitions in group 4 relate to village Pali. Full stop. Writ petition number 46933 of 2011, Raghuvar versus State of UP and others. Writ petition number 47469 of 2011 and writ petition number 25464 of 2011, relate of this village. Full stop. Writ petition number 46933 of 2011, in which pleadings have been exchanged, each being treated as leading writ petition. Full stop. In writ petition number 46933 of 2011, there are 81 petitioners. Full stop. Notification under section 4 read with sections 17 within bracket 1 and 17 within bracket 4 of the act was issued on 7/9/2006, proposing to acquire 225.876 hectares of the land. Full stop. The notification mentions acquisition for planned industrial development in district Gautam Buddh Nagar through Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority. Full stop. Subsequent thereto, notification under section 6 of the act was issued on 28/7/2007. Full stop. Petitioners claim to be Bhumidars of various plots situated in village Pali. Full stop. It is alleged that notification under section 4 of the act, invoking the provisions of section 17 in bracket 1 and 17 in bracket 4 of the act, was issued, without application of mind, and it is submitted that the petitioners had been under bona fide belief that the land was being acquired to serve the public purpose as specified in the impugned notification, and the acquiring authority being in dominating position, the petitioners had no choice but to accept the compensation under section 1997 rules. Full stop. They being law-abiding citizen and being under the impression that the state government has acquired land for public purpose, they did not come forward to challenge the notification. Full stop. However, the very purpose of acquisition has been changed, the respondents are playing fraud, and they are proposing to use it for construction of commercial and residential houses, hence they have come in the writ petition. Full stop. No notice under section 9 was issued or served upon the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners are willing and ready to refund the compensation. Full stop. They are entitled to return of their land. Full stop. Counter affidavit has been filed by the state stating therein that the petitioners have not explained the inordinate delay in challenging the notification. Full stop. Possession of the land in dispute was transferred to the authority on 1/11/2007 and 10/4/2008. Full stop. compensation has been distributed amongst the farmers to the tune of 93.49%, full stop. Award under section 11 of the act has been declared on 10/8/2011, full stop. Possession memo has been filed as Annexure CA4, full stop. Relevant certificates were sent by the collector with justification to the state government, full stop, over.